What's the best free VPN you can get on an iPad in 2026? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and set up the best free VPN you can get on an iPad. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So what I think is the best free VPN you can get on an iPad is going to be Proton VPN. Now, Proton VPN is a paid service, but they do offer a free version of their VPN with all the same privacy technology. It's just going to be slightly slower. So it's perfect if you want to use a free VPN, maybe at the airport or on public Wi-Fi, just to ensure that all your internet access is private. Another reason I really like their free VPN is because you can even change the servers to change countries, things like that, and get the benefits for streaming services or while you're traveling of a server in a different country. Now, I'm not the only person that likes Proton VPN. It's one of the most highly regarded VPNs in the world for privacy, because that's really what their entire brand is about: privacy and protection while you use the internet. To download Proton VPN for free on our iPad, the first thing we need to do is open up the App Store, then just select the search icon at the top and type Proton VPN. In the results, you should see Proton VPN, fast and secure. Select that. And where mine has the little cloud icon, yours will have a Get button. So select Get. I'm just going to select the cloud. It'll start downloading and installing the Proton VPN app to your iPad. Once it says open, it's done installing. Go ahead and select open. And the first thing we're going to do is we need to either create an account or you can sign in. Additionally, you might have the option to continue as a guest where you don't even need to create an account to use the VPN. But if you don't have that option, go ahead and create a Proton VPN account, and then you can log into your account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Once you open up the VPN, all we need to do to start using it is select Connect. And the first time we use it, we're going to need to allow Proton VPN to set up the VPN on our iPad. So go ahead and select Allow, enter your iPad's passcode, and then it will bring us back to Proton VPN, where we'll start connecting to the VPN. And as you can see, once it says protected at the top, all my internet traffic on my iPad is now being routed through the VPN. And really the biggest benefit of a VPN is that all the traffic on my iPad is encrypted until it gets to the VPN. So this means the Wi-Fi network I'm connected to, even my ISP, my internet service provider, cannot see what I am doing on the internet. They just see encrypted data. Additionally, any website you visit will only see that you're connected from a VPN. They won't see your home network, your IP address, anything like that. So once you're connected to the VPN, we can always tell if we're connected by going up to the top right. You'll see VPN at the top up there. And if I swipe down, you'll also see VPN next to your Wi-Fi icon right there. So we can always know if we're connected or not to the VPN. If you ever want to disconnect from the VPN, just open up Proton VPN, select Disconnect, and it will quickly disconnect you from the VPN, where as soon as you see you are not protected at the top, that means you are no longer connected to Proton VPN. So that's what I think is the best free VPN for an iPad. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.